Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. So today we will be solving some of the SAT problems related to lines. So let's get started. Let's go to number 1. So what is the equation of the line parallel to y-axis and 3 units to the right of y-axis? So let's make axis. So this is x-axis and let's make another axis. Let's say this is y-axis. So what is the equation of line that is parallel? Means the line is parallel to y-axis, right? This can be anywhere between like this. So but it is saying 3 units to the right of y-axis, that is, let's say 1 2 3 unit, right? 1 2 3 unit right of y-axis, that is parallel to y-axis and 3 unit right. Okay, let me rearrange little bit. Okay, this is the line. So this is the line that is what, parallel to x and 3 unit to the right of x-axis, that is the value of x is here what, this is 1 2 3. So x equals to 3 is the required line. So let's go to number 2. So what is the slope of the line m in the figure above? So it is asking us the slope of this given line m, and we are provided with the 2 points. Okay, so we have the formula for the slope. If the 2 points are given, is slope is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You can take this point as x1 and y1, and this point as what, x2 comma y2. Now just plug the value. What is y2 here? Y2 is 0 minus what is y1 here is 2 divided over x2 minus x1. x2 is 4 minus x1 is 0. So this equals to minus 2 over 4 is equals to minus 1 over 2 is our required slope. So B is our correct answer. So let's go to number 3. Which of the following equation for the line passing through the point minus 4 comma 1, that is parallel to 4x minus 2y equals to 3. So the question is asking, find the equation of the line that will pass through this point and it's parallel to this point. That means what we can do, we can extract slope from here. Okay, let me give you some idea. So if two lines are parallel, let's say this line and this line are parallel, means they are not going to meet each other. So that is, let's say the slope of this line is m1, this is m2, and these two lines are what, parallel, means their slopes are equal, that is m1 equals to m2. You have to understand that. Okay, sorry, what is happening? Okay, then if two lines are perpendicular, that is, let's say like this, they make 90 degree to each other. So let's say the slope of the first line is m1 and the slope of the next line is m2. Okay, then if two lines are perpendicular, the product of the product of slope of the two perpendicular lines is equals to -1. Okay, so what we can say, that now we have to find the slope of our required line by using this line, because this line is parallel to our line. So just find and just convert this equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. Okay, so just isolate the y. So we have given 4x minus 2y equals to 3. Take 4x to that side, so minus 2y is equals to minus 4x plus 3. Just remove this minus, so we have to multiply all the side by minus. So this minus becomes plus, this minus becomes plus, and this plus becomes minus. Now take 2 to other side, that is 4 by 2x minus 3 by 2. Okay, so this is equals to this is 2x minus 3 by 2. So y equals to 2x minus 3 by 2. Okay, so we have the slope of this line is like in the form y equal to mx plus c. So if we compare, the m is 2, the slope of the line is m is equal to 2. Since the slope of our since our line is parallel, required line is parallel to this line, slopes are equal. So the slope of our required line is also 2. Now check the option. Here is 2, here is 2, and the slope here is -2. So C and D can't be our answer. Now what we can do is that we can check, or we can just plug this point here or here, and just check if it is satisfied the equation or not. If it satisfies, that will be our required equation. So just plug here -4. Okay, 2 into -4 is equals to -8 minus 9. This is not equals to 1, so this is not our answer. Now again plug here in number B. So 2 into x is -4 plus 9, that is -8 plus 9 is equals to 1. So here is what 1. So B satisfies the equation of the line. So what B is our required equation of the line. Okay, so let's go to number 4. Okay, number 4, what is the slope of the line in the equation above? So again we have to do this same method. So isolate y and change it in the form of y equals to mx plus c and find the slope. So what we can do, minus x plus 4y equal to 6 is given. Just write 4y and take this x to other side, it becomes x plus 6. Now y is equals to, just divide both by 4, x plus 6 by 4, this is equals to 1 by 4 x plus 6 by 4. So this in the form of m x plus c. So m is equal to 1 by 4. So the slope is 1 by 4. So let's go to number 5. Which of the following is the equation of the line that passes through point 4 minus 1 and has slope minus 2? So let me clear it more. So we have to find the equation of the line that has the slope of m. Let's say m is equals to minus 2 and it passes through the point 4 comma minus 1. So let's say this point is, let's say x1 y1. Okay, then the equation of the line passing through the point x1 y1 is y minus y1 equals to slope of the line x minus x1. So just plug the value of y1 from here, that is minus 1 is equals to slope is minus 2, x minus x1 is 4, right? Here is 4. So y plus 1 is equals to minus 2x minus minus plus 2, 4 is 8. So y take this to the other side, plus 2x takes this 1 to other side, 8 minus 1. So this is 2x plus y is equals to 7. So this is our answer. Okay, so 2x plus y equal to 7. So this is our answer. Let's go to number 6. In the xy plane above, L is parallel to the line M. What is the value of B? So this line is parallel to this line. We have already told that if two lines are what parallel, their slopes are equal. So slope what equal, just use that slope formula and equate them and find the value of B. So let's what we say, slope of line L is equal to slope of line M. So what is the formula for slope? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's say this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So find, so what is y2? 0 minus 3, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is equals to, here is x1 y1 x2 y2, that is y2 minus y1 over x2 is minus 1 minus y2 minus minus 4 is what x2. So this is minus 3 over 2 is equals to minus 3 minus b over minus 1 plus 4. So this is minus 3 minus b over 3. Now cross multiply. Okay, you have to cross multiply this with this. So let's do it. So 3 into 3 is minus 9 is equal to 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. 2 into minus b is minus 2b. So okay, let me do here. Minus 9, 6 minus 6 goes to that side, becomes plus 6 equals to minus 2b. So this is minus 3 is equals to minus 2b. Take minus 2 to other side, that is minus 2 equals to b. So b is equals to 3 over 2 is our answer, guys. Okay, so this much for today, guys. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll be posting this kind of video very soon. So thank you for watching. See you till next video. Bye bye.